Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to open a new Disney toy called Mouska Train Express. And it has a little Mickey driving the train. This toy is for 2 years and up and requires adult assembly. Let's get all of the pieces out of the box. Whoa, they just keep coming. It comes with 3 stickers and some colorful instructions to put the train tracks together. This is a fun activity to do with parent and child. Let's see, the first thing we need to do is label placement. We need to find this blue piece and put Minnie Mouse on it. This looks like the right piece. We'll get our stickers. Oh, and there's cute little Minnie Mouse in her pink polka dot dress. Now remember, the stickers don't have to be on perfectly. It's even hard for me to put it on perfect. It might take a few tries. Oh, good enough. Now we need to put our other sticker on, and I believe this is Pete. He is telling the train to stop. I think we're going to have to flip it around. There we go. Oh, that one was easier. The last sticker goes on the cargo tower with the Mickey ears. And I believe that's right here. And we have to attach the Mickey ears after, but we'll put the sticker on first, which is the mail and the mailbox. This is where the train picks up the cargo. Oh, this one's a little trickier to put on. Oh, that's really crooked. Okay, let's try. Oh, now my sticker is harder to put on because it's sort of rolled up. Okay, there we go. And now it's finally time to put our track together. Let's see how easy it is. Very easy. It took me only a couple minutes. I love how colorful it is. Let's put our tunnel on. It comes in 2 pieces and it just snaps together at the top and attaches to the blue track. And we'll put the Mickey ears on our cargo tower. There we go. Not too difficult. And it attaches to the yellow track. And that is where the cargo will go, and when the train moves this Mickey hand, the cargo will dump into the back of Mickey's train. Here is one of the pieces of cargo with Pluto on it. It's a blue box. And Chip and Dale is another piece of cargo in the red box. And we're ready to get Mickey started. Oh, let's give him a little push. He has one of the cargo boxes that he's going to drop off. Oops, oh, we don't want to drop that. Okay, and Mickey will keep going to the cargo drop. Oh, Mickey got stuck, but he got his red box. And we'll let Mickey go around the track one more time. And then we push the lever and he stops. And we drop this cargo box off with Chip and Dale. And the blue one can go back in the cargo drop tunnel so that Mickey can pick that one up. Let's help him move along. Oh, he got stuck by the arm. Now he's picked up the blue cargo. This would be a fun little set for little ones. I know Tiny Treasures Mini loves toy trains. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.